Welcome to this detailed tutorial on using tags in WordPress. In this guide you will learn how to log in, navigate to the proper sections of your dashboard and create new tags with both a name and description. This clear set of instructions will walk you through every step so that you can confidently manage and organize your posts. To begin the process, open your web browser and visit WordPress. Once the home page loads, locate the login option, which is typically found in the top right corner of the page. This step is designed to help you access your WordPress account quickly and securely. After clicking the login option, you will see several ways to enter your account. For those who prefer a streamlined approach, choose the method labeled Continue with Google. When you click this option, a pop-up will appear allowing you to select the appropriate Google account. Make sure you choose the Google account that is connected to your WordPress site. This selection ensures that you are using the correct credentials for editing and managing your content. After successfully signing in with your Google account, your next step is to move to the post section of your site. This is where you can manage your content and apply different reviewing options related to your posts. Once you are in the post area, you will need to find and click on the option labeled Tags. Within the WordPress dashboard, tags are used to organize and categorize your posts effectively. This organization helps both you and your audience navigate your content easily. When you click on tags, the interface will display an area where you can add a new tag. The first piece of information you will need to provide is the tag name. Take a moment to think about a concise word or phrase that effectively represents the subject or theme of your content. The right tag name will make it easier for your visitors to understand the focus when browsing your site. Following the naming of your tag, the next field requires you to add a description. This description is beneficial because it provides further context about how or where the tag should be used. A clear and informative description can be especially helpful when you have an extensive library of posts that are grouped under similar tags. Once you have entered both the name and description for your tag, you will proceed to add the new tag. There is an option clearly labeled Add New Tag that you should click. As soon as you click this button, observe the table on the right side of the screen. This table will confirm that your new tag has been saved correctly by displaying the tag's details. Finally, to verify that everything is correct, there is a view option available. By clicking on view, you can see a preview of your newly created tag. This preview allows you to confirm that the tag appears as expected on your public site, ensuring that it is ready for your visitors to see and use as a filter when searching for posts. By following these instructions, you have now successfully created and managed tags on your WordPress site. This organized approach will enhance site navigation and optimize the overall user experience for your readers. Enjoy managing your content on WordPress with these simple and effective steps.